Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be preparing the Indian mackerel, which is also called as the bangade. Here today I would be preparing the bangade fish fry. As you can see, I've got the bangade from the market and I've got it nicely cleaned, and I've made sure that they give a nice cut to it so that the masala that you are applying goes evenly inside and the fish gets a nice flavor. So let's see how to prepare this delicious fish. It's a homemade recipe, very simple, just a couple of ingredients, and anybody can make it basically. So guys, here you go. I have taken about 3 or 4 teaspoons of red chili powder, salt, and there's some semolina or rava as you call, and some white vinegar. So guys, to begin with, I have poured some vinegar and I'll mix the red chili powder and salt nicely to prepare a nice paste. So guys, once you have mixed this is how your paste or pesto will look like. You would want this kind of consistency. Okay, and you can start to nicely apply this over the fish. Make sure to spread evenly inside, outside, and to the sides so that you get a nice flavor. Fill some in the grooves. You can see how I have applied even inside. So make sure you're applying evenly and coating, giving it a nice coat. Repeat for all the other fishes. So guys, this is how all your fishes will look once you have given it a nice coat inside, outside, and in the sides. So this goes into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour so that it marinates very well, and then we're ready to be fried. So let's wait for that time. So guys, it's been about more than an hour that the fish has been marinating in the refrigerator. Now it's time to give this fish a final coat with some semolina or rava. Meanwhile, in a pan, get the oil heating up for frying. So guys, I have taken some semolina, and this is how I'm going to coat the fish with some semolina. Give it a nice strong press. Transfer the final coated fish to another plate, ready to be fried. Repeat the process for all the other fishes. So guys, once the oil has heated up, drop one fish at a time and let it shallow fry each side for about 5 minutes. Gently flip the fish and let it cook on low flame on the other side for another 5 minutes. Let it keep frying on low flame. So guys, this delicious fish fry is ready. I'm serving it up with some chapati and to go with it some cucumbers and baby onions. Can't wait to try this guys. I hope you will try this too, and do like to my video and subscribe if you have liked this. Thank you. Bye.